Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change someone's name in posts. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes, write comments after watching, and let's get started. And first of all, open a message on your iPhone and then go to the dialog with the person you'd like to rename. After that, at the top, tap in the middle, then Info, then Change. And as you can see, this way you can change the person's name, company. You can also change any other information like phone, email, address, birthday, and so on. Once you've made all those changes, you just hit Done, and then they will be immediately incorporated into the message changes. Friends, this is the very simple way you can change someone's name in the Message app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and see you soon.